That's the good thing about it, because you really get the car in the road.
Yeah, the fitment is crazy. But they are B-blocks, right? Okay, yeah, that is insane. That is super, super insane.
Yeah, because we know the dude in the blue jacket, we know what he niggas say. Why is it too much?
Got a nice old school lineup. I'm sorry, y'all. I've been talking for like 45 minutes, so I haven't really been filming. Ooh, look at this old school Chevelle. That is so pretty. Yeah, another car show. Old school. That's a nice little meal right here. It's so funny. Old school C10. Very nice. Another old school C10. I'm gonna go across the way. Got an Illinois Mustang. I think I've seen this one before. That is an original Illinois. Oh my goodness, we got this old school Toyota. Look at the wheels on that. That is insane. Chrome. That looks so clean. So it's a Toyota Excelsior. That's pretty cool. I mean, he's low too. He's not like super low, but he's respectable.
Yeah, where is the mama? Oh, she's in the last row.
Is that the new Integra?
Gotta check out the interior on this thing. This looks so crazy.
Trash can anywhere. Well, that big
They got somebody that's knocked out. Well, there's one way to say there isn't anything at the show. Bro just fell asleep. So We got a bullet Mustang here. And the paint is just gorgeous on this. Got that pearl in it. Oh my Lord. I done died and gone to heaven, y'all. Died and gone to heaven. Look at that. So hot right now. I done turned a different color, y'all. I done been out here trying to get this content It was a good show though. I'm not even gonna cap. Like I got here at like 9 and it's about 2 o'clock. So it's got to be a good show if I stick around and try to, you know, take footage of the cars while they leaving. I'm gonna try to go to more stuff that has more scenes and like donuts and burnouts, all kind of stuff that y'all like. But right now that's all I got, you know. So maybe in another few weeks or something, maybe something to come up. Maybe somebody will send me something, you know, and I'll be able to go to that. But we're gonna try to go to something at least once a week, y'all. At least once a week, every weekend.